And if you are watching, I need you to stop scrolling right now.
I was just telling somebody the other day that people come to church and you have no idea what they're going through.
Are y'all ready to have church? I said, are y'all ready to have church?
We're dressed up in our suits. We're looking pretty and smiling like nothing is going on. And when we walk out these doors, all hell is breaking loose.
Whatever you're going through, whatever you're dealing with, it's going to work for your good. It's for your good. It's for your good. It's for your good.
God wants to heal you everywhere you hurt. Everywhere you hurt, God will see you through. He'll take the, you know it, help me sing it.
It may not feel good. It may not look good. It may not smell good, but it's going to work for your good. It's for your good. Sick in your body, but it's for your good. Problems on the job, but it's for your good. Problems in your home, problems in your mind, problems with your finances, but it's for your good. It's for your good. Anybody believe it? Anybody believe it? Anybody believe it? It's for your good. It's for your good.
Somebody here, listen, as you're coming, we have made arrangements for somebody to intercede for you. We've made arrangements for somebody to pray with you. Whatever your need is tonight, bring your need and yourself to this altar.
Don't you give up. Don't you give in. Don't throw in the towel. Don't give up. Keep holding on. Keep the faith. Keep the faith. Stay in the race. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Tonight, God wants to heal you everywhere you hurt.